when you begin to thinking something about your English, what you thought more times in your mind. For example, is this so hard to use? I can't speak because, and you begin to say your reasons, or you speak with someone while more people only overthinking. What is your answer for my question? If you'd like to do such as me at every day, at any place, you begin to speak in English without any theme, without any translation or any help. Translation in your English. You will be winner. If you begin to write what would you like to say because your English is not enough, you are a loser. You lost this situation. And I know why I say this word lose. I know because I remember this is irregular verb. That means this is not lost, or is this one lost or not? While someone overthinking this irregular verb and not speak because in his mind this irregular verb is not in the right place, I use this in my sentence and maybe this is wrong, but I use it. And I ask you, what is better if you use what you can use? That means you cook at your home what you have at home, or you begin to dream what would you like to cook but you haven't these items in your frigidaire. I think the answer is so clear. When you open your frigidaire, what is behind me? How much hours or minutes you overthinking what would you like to eat? If you'd like to eat something, you eat this one what you have at home, or you can go to any place where you can eat something. And why you not overthinking this one? Because you'd like to eat something. Because you are hungry. And you know, if you are hungry and if you'd like to eat something, you will be not hungry. And how to say this word hungry with H or without H, I don't know. But maybe you understand me. If you'd like, understand me. If you use your wrong English with terrible accents such as English, not English, will be person who understood what you said, and will be people who say it for you. Your English is not enough to speak, and please begin to learn your English because not understandable, but this is not true, and never hear them, never, only speak and speak and speak. Grammars, very good. Vocabs, reading, writing, very good. After you speak. This is so simple, I think, no? English study means you speak, and why you speak, you study your English because you practiced this language. If you think practice mean you do something in your notebook, grammar book, or what it's called, I don't know, this is not true. This is not practice. This is only very good, or any apps on your phone or in any devices. This is very good for your ego because you think, I made something for my English today, which is very good for your ego. I say it again for you. But I ask you, and you can ask yourself too, is this true, or you only lie for yourself? and I know, and you know too, this is not true. This is only lies. Because speak means such as me and now. Speak without script, title or anything. Speak such as with your friend. My come at this moment in stative, where is my phone, and this is my come. This is my friend. I have no stress when I speak with you, for you. With you means my come is my friend, my camcorder, or it's called at today, I don't know. And I haven't any stress because I must open my mouth and I must speak something in English which is so hard, and better idea is if and not exist any if, any reasons and anything. Only speak and speak with your terrible English. I know a lot of people thinking this is not so good because if you use wrong words and grammars, that will be in your mind, and if you learn in the future, this will be very hard to change your old bad grammar to new one. But this is not true, because what is true, if you not speak, in your mind will be nothing grammar, nothing vocabs and nothing. Because if you learn grammars and vocab, this is very good, but if you don't use it, that means you don't know it. This is so simple. Yes, I know a lot of people thinking, if I learn 1000 words, I can use it in real life. Not true. You can use words what you use in real situation when you spoke loudly, fastly, or slowly. This is absolutely enough. And I ask this one at the end of my videos. I ask you again. Go to see in this video in YouTube timeline how much minutes I speak with you for you. How much? More than 7 minutes. And in these minutes, I used better sentence will be when I use this word. I used a lot of and you saw when you watch me, I overthinking at every moment with a lot of pauses. No, because I never translate. Never translate if you use English as tool in your life. Only speak, and yes, that will be hard, that will be terrible, but if you use it, you will be better and better. If you don't use it, because this is hard for you, and you are not perfect, perfection killed your English, and never forget this one. Okay?